I forget that.
We're on a boat.
We're on a boat. I'm the problem. It's me. That was good.
You made me say that.
Love that. Alrighty, so we're going to interview a few people and talk about Taylor Swift because that's why we're here. Woo! And what are they?
I don't know.
Travel sickness tablets because we're on a boat.
Funny.
Okay, what are we?
What brings you guys on this boat tonight?
Taylor Swift. Taylor
For 10 points.
Yeah, I just have fun. I mean, we had fun at the Eras tour, but I feel like this is also such a more
Such a niche.
laid back way of having fun about it as well. Sydney night for closing night.
Closing night in Sydney.
What? Sorry.
What song did we get?
Surprise
what were our surprise songs?
Would've,
Could have, should have.
Would have, into Ivy.
And then
A Fearless song. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
There you go.
There
Yeah,
you go.
Forever and Always in Remain. Oh, fuck. No, I can't. That's actually, I think, a thing I have. I don't know how to recall songs from my brain. T-shirt went right into me and how the blood rushed into my cheeks. So scarlet it was. There you go. I needed someone to start me off. I'm not hogging this.
You're doing good. Since high school.
Yeah, half my life.
Yeah.
15 years.
Yeah, 15 years. Yeah. Since before Love Story. OG.
Mean.
Love. Did you say mean? Shut the.
No, I can't recall songs off my head. That's not mean.
Oh, mean.
Not mean. Mean.
I was like, that's so
I know, and you questioned me, and I was like, why would you do that?
Oh,
Mean.
you with your switching.
Sides in your firelights. No, I can't sing songs. I have to listen to it. I promise I'm a real Taylor Swift fan, but I truly have to listen to songs to be able to.
I am from Carlisle, England, United Kingdom.
So what do you love about Australia?
The people are fantastic. The country is beautiful. Everything, the vibes are amazing.
The vibes are pretty amazing. What's your favourite song of hers?
Wildest dreams.
Oh my god, I love it. Thank you so much for coming. What is your favourite song and sing a lyric to your favourite song?
Sing your favorite song.
Maroon.
Sing it.
Alrighty, so what is your favourite song?
We never go out of style. We never go out.
Flashing lights, listen to the kick my nights out the sights on the corners from the hits and highs and the whisper sighs. Oh, I think about jumping off a very tall something. Just see it come running. Say one thing, I do one thing, but no. Let's fast forward to 300.
Thank you.
Oh yes, hello. Hi. Hello.
How's it going?
How are you?
I'm good.
That's good.
What are we doing?
We are going to interview
About what?
Taylor Swift.
Taylor Swift?
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Yeah, girl.
What a surprise!
Yes.
It's not like it's a Taylor Swift boat.
It's not like we're on a Taylor Swift boat or anything.
Oh my god, what?
So what brings you to this boat tonight?
Not gonna lie, met these girls through a Facebook friendship group, and they were like, let's go on a Taylor Swift boat. And I went, fuck yeah.
That is amazing.
Yeah.
Now, how long have you liked Taylor Swift for?
A while. I like all of her like old stuff, like I grew up on it. But like the new stuff, I'm like, I prefer the old stuff. Not gonna lie. Like her new stuff is good,
Yeah.
but her old stuff, favorite.
Alrighty, can you sing me a song to your, like, one of your favorites? Go, just one little lyric.
Face and a beautiful eyes in the conversation with the little lies and the faded. I'm gonna sing Back to December.
Oh, yeah! His favorite song!
Come on, Garly. Taylor Lautner married a Taylor. Winning.
Yes. And how do you feel? How do you feel about Taylor Lautner being on her new music video clip?
Do you know, I was shook. I was like, what? I love that they're still friends. Like after all of this time. And she's like one of the only people she's ever apologized to in a song. I'm like,
Oh, yes, yes,
I'm
yes,
like,
yes.
what can imagine being one of the only people Taylor Swift has apologized to in a song?
Oh my god, yes, that is so true.
Like everyone else, she's like, fuck you, you did all this bad shit to me. Taylor, she's like, I'm so sorry, I wish I could go back. You were so good to me.
That is so true.
And then like that video with Taylor Lautner and what's her name, Joey King.
Yeah.
I was like, I'm sure.
Okay, can you sing me a lyric to one of her songs? Go.
Yes. Back to December all the time, or whatever.
Thank you so much for being.
Thank
See
you
ya.
so much.
Thank you.
Mwah. It's been such a great time.
What song did you want them to sing tonight? Go.
With your face and the beautiful eyes and the conversation with the little white lies and the faded picture of a beautiful night. You carry me from the car to stairs and I broke down crying when she wore this mess. After everything in that little black dress, after everything I must confess I need you. Like Swifties are meant to. They didn't even do the heart for Fearless. I was just like, I was just like, I was holding this and I'm like, someone heart me. I know. So rude. So rude.
Where was the place in this world? Where was the outside?
Where was debut?
Where was change?
These walls that they put up to hold us back will fall down. It's a revolution. What part are you up to?
5,000 cuts, flashbacks like